4. So now we're going to try a couple. Example 3. Is 9x plus y equals 20. And negative 8x plus y equals negative 31. So that each time you have a system of equations, you use the types as kind of like a checklist. So the very first thing you're looking for is, do you have any equations that start with x equals something or y equals something? Since we don't have that here, then we know that this is not a type 1 or a type 2. So now we look to see, are the x's a zero pair? Are the y's a zero pair? That's not true either. So what I can see is that I have the y's are exactly the same. They're both a positive y. So this is going to be a type 4. So that means all we need to do to solve this is multiply one equation by negative 1. If I multiply the second equation by negative 1, then that'll change those negative numbers to positive numbers. So instead of a negative 8x, now that becomes a positive 8x. The plus y becomes a minus y. And the negative 31 becomes positive 31. And then the first equation stays the same, 9x plus y equals 20. And now that I have a zero pair, I have the plus y and the minus y. Those will cancel out, so I can add what's left. So 9x plus 8x is 17x. And 20 plus 31 is 51. And then from here, all I need to do is divide both sides by 17. So that 51 divided by 17 is 3. And then now I just need to take that 3 and plug it into any of those equations up there. I go back to the first equation, then it'll be 9 times 3 plus y equals 20. And then I simplify 9 times 3 is 27 plus y equals 20. And then all I need to do is subtract 27 from both sides. So that y equals negative 7. So then the final answer here is 3, negative 7. Okay, one more example. 4. This one is 10x minus 3y equals negative 13. And 2x plus 3y equals negative 35. So now my suggestion is to pause the video and solve this yourself, and then come back and check your work. So hopefully you were able to see that in this case we have a zero pair already. So all we need to do is add what we have. So 10x plus 2x makes 12x. The negative 3y, positive 3y cancels. And then negative 13 plus negative 35 makes negative 48. And then from here, all I have to do is divide both sides by 12. So that x equals negative 4. So now I take that negative 4 and plug it into either of those equations. I take the second equation. It'll be 2 times negative 4 plus 3y equals negative 35. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then when I do the wall floor, the opposite of the -8 is a +8. And then I bring down 3y. -35 plus 8 is -27. And then divide both sides by 3. -27 divided by 3 is -9. So that the final answer here is -4, -9. So that's type 3 and type 4. Tomorrow we'll move on to type 5.